everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing oatmeal raisin cookies. So let's get started.
In my bowl, I have 1 stick of unsalted butter. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and give that a blend. When it's nice and light and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 whole egg. Blend that again together and make sure it's nice and incorporated. Then I'm going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of molasses, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and give that a blend. Now it's time for my dry ingredients. A 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of oats, 3/4 of a cup of flour, then a 1/2 cup of raisins. And give this a blend until you don't see any more flour, but be careful not to overmix. I'm going to portion my dough out into 10 cookies and roll them into a ball. And then I'm going to take the whole tray and chill it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. While it's chilling, my oven is preheating to 350 degrees. And I'm going to bake these for 11 minutes and turn them halfway through, and then they're ready to enjoy.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and check out my cookie playlist. I have a ton of amazing cookie recipes over there. If you would like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday. Thanks for watching.